1. Eat fruits and vegetables. Women need to eat fruits and vegetables every day and should fill about half of their plate with fruits or vegetables at meals. Most women may not get enough fruits and vegetables, so eat whole fruits, not juice, and try different types of vegetables during the week. 2. Eat protein. Women should eat different types of foods that contain protein, including seafood, lean meats, poultry, eggs, legumes, beans and peas, nuts, seeds and soy products. Most women do not eat enough seafood, and to meet recommendations you should eat 8 to 10 ounces per week, or about 2 meals per week. 3. Eat legumes. Eat whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta or whole wheat bread. Most women do not eat enough whole grains, which are an important source of fiber and energy. 4. Eat dairy. Women should get 3 cups of dairy products every day, but most women only get half of that amount, and if you can't drink milk, try eating low-fat yogurt or low-fat cheese, as dairy products are one of the best food sources of the mineral calcium. But some vegetables, such as cabbage and broccoli, also contain calcium, as do some fortified foods such as fortified soy milk, fortified cereals, and many fruit juices. 5. Calcium intake. Most girls between the ages of 9 and 18 and women over 50 need more calcium to maintain bone health.